Hello? Testing 1, 2. Are we live? I think we're live, guys. Are we here? Good morning, fellas. Good morning. We are live. I believe sound is good. I'm having some issues. We are having some issues this morning. My sound and my camera. Okay, I think I got it. All right. Sorry, guys. Give me a minute. I'm trying to get all this. I've got all kinds of issues. Okay, the heart rate. Yay, the heart rate thing is working today. Okay. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Sorry for the late start. It's been a little bit. I'm hoping my camera battery was dead this morning, and I don't have a backup camera battery. I know it's terrible. I did order a backup camera battery, but I don't know how long this camera battery is going to last. All right, good morning, everybody. Timely Bible verse, good morning. RXHX, Timbo Trader, Jake Dell, good morning. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee, Jim O. I am Bruce Lee. Hey, good morning, Slaya. Good to see you. Andreas, Jack Wiley, Tyler Page, good morning. Gutenberg, good morning. Ace Undercover. Jeremy Shaw, touchdown. Peter, good morning. Driving Obsession. Sam Owen, Cost D. Good morning. M. Susan, Tyler Page, Dove Gordon. Austria Snowman, good morning. Dove Gordon. David Knight, good to see you. Tanush, good morning. Uncle Luke, Mike, Scalpulaire, Dadnator, Sugfest, Thor, good morning. Clyde, good morning. Frank Mortimer, I am Bruce Lee, Arrow Squad. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for being here. Tech111, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Camille's, good morning. GPS Trading, let's go. All right. It's a new week, folks. It's a new week. All right. I don't want to say for sure, but I think I've recovered from Friday. I still have a little bit of PTSD, little bit of it, but for the most part, I feel like we've recovered. Oh man, that was rough. That was absolutely brutal. Oh, let's please never do that again. Never, ever again. All right, the markets. I'm going to just assume that the markets are going to continue to just be stupid. Hey, Design Knob, good morning. Good morning. If I'm winning, how is the golf these days? Honestly, haven't played much. I've been so busy trying to get settled into our new house here in Florida. I've been so busy that I literally have gone golfing twice in the last 4 weeks. It just hasn't. After this week, though, end of this week, we will be golfing. Actually, no, first of next week, we are definitely going to start golfing a lot more. I can't wait. It was fun watching golf again on yesterday. I watched golf again yesterday, and Hideki Matsuyama, he pulled it out. He pulled out the win. Pretty crazy round he had. Crazy round. Hey, Snowman. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know either, Austria Snowman. Have you not been here lately? It's like the new... They only use it by your channel name instead of your username. I don't know what the @ name. Hey, Ace. Hey, Lynn Davenport. Good to see you. All right. I mean, this market is wicked. Wicked. I still, this morning, I hadn't opened, like, this morning when I opened the charts, I looked at this again. Looking at this chart right here literally makes me break out in a cold sweat. Oh, actually makes me want to vomit. This candle right here, it was the worst sight known to humankind. I actually almost vomited. I almost threw up. I almost threw up when this candle happened. Because all I literally just needed to open. I just needed a little wick down. Nothing too crazy. Wick down, get me out, break even, and I was going to end it right there for the day. And I basically say, hey, I learned my lesson. I will never do that again. But nope. It's unbelievable how quickly I got destroyed on Friday. It happened so quickly, and I mean, just no concern for my well-being whatsoever. Absolutely got destroyed. Looking back at it, it is gotta be the dumbest thing I have done in a long time. I just had some really bad slippage. Okay, good to know, Dove. I see. My heart rate went up to 100 when I looked at it. I'm not joking. It gives me PTSD when I look at that chart. Like it, you guys, I was actually looking my heart rate at the end of every session, at the end of every day, the Whoop app will tell you how many minutes you spent in a high stress situation. And at the end of the day, Friday, it said that I had spent the most, I was in a stress environment the longest since I got the Whoop, which was over a month ago. I was in a high stress environment for over 80 minutes. And that 80 minutes was exactly the time that I literally was basically blowing those accounts. Let's just say the Whoop didn't lie. I was in a high stress environment for sure. Oh, I just realized. Oh, well, it is what it is. I realized I was going to do my month of November recap, my expenses and payouts. I was going to do that video. You probably saw, but I updated my expenses and my payouts. I updated that, but I wanted to release my video first, and I did not do it. So I guess the cat's out of the bag. Oh well, we'll still do the video, of course. Does it detect stress I feel anytime it snows this winter? It would, John. Good morning, John. Good morning, Design Knob. Good morning. Good morning, Design Knob. And John, pursuing profits. Why didn't QuantGuard save me? Oh, because I didn't use it. That's why. You have to connect your accounts at the beginning of every day. That's how they have it set up. And I literally didn't connect my accounts. I don't really want to talk about it. No, it was like there were so many red flags looking back. It's like insane. It's almost like I intentionally wanted to blow my. It's almost like I kind of wanted to do it subconsciously. I wanted to do it, but I don't know. I don't know, man. No way. Yeah, Snowman with a 3%. Yeah, man, Bitcoin has been pretty violent lately. Come back to Ohio in January. Slaya, I'm going to be back in Ohio from December 24th. I'm going to be there over Christmas. And then literally every weekend in January, I'm going to be traveling back to Ohio for, we have some baptismals that we're going to. We have some weddings we're going to. So we will be in Ohio way too much in January. But it is what it is. Wow, okay, market going lower. We are officially below the VWAP. Here's the plan, guys. Here's the plan. Today, we're just back on track. We're just going to, I mean, maybe this is not a healthy way to look at it, but we're just going to pretend like Friday never happened. I contemplated a lot on how I want to do things going forward. Like, how do I want to go forward after Friday? And I came to the conclusion that denial is probably best. So we're just going to deny that it happened. Let's just pretend, if it's okay with you guys, let's just pretend it didn't happen. Okay? I think that's the best route. In my life, denial seems to always play out best. You're going back to PA in a week or so? Yeah, I heard that this coming weekend, Ohio is going to see single digits. It's going to get so cold. Oh, man, I'm so glad. Meanwhile, here in Florida, it was 82 degrees yesterday. Oh, man. I have turned into a snob. I've turned into a cold weather snob. I never thought I would see the day, but here we are. Here we are. Pursuing pretend what didn't happen. Exactly, pursuing profits. Exactly. It's 15 to 20 degrees sometimes already. Niles, it's 12 degrees in Indiana. Oh, that makes me shiver. That makes me shiver, man. The overcast days and wake up with frost. It's just, I gotta say, man, going a couple weeks without sunshine is not healthy for the soul. I'm convinced. This year is a bad year for me. I hate the dark overcast days after day this year. Yeah, exactly, John. I do. I was in Ohio over Thanksgiving, and we had like 4 or 5 consecutive days of just overcast and dreary. In the past, I wouldn't say that it bothered me that much, but man, it actually bothers me now. It's like, man, I just get me in the sunshine. But I'm sure I would survive. Yeah, it's a low of 18. Oh, Slaya, that's rough. Last night on the open, I thought I had 3 micros loaded for my Take Profit Pro accounts. Hit the buy button, realized it was 30 micros. No. Oh, how did it end up? Do I want to know, John? How did it end up? Oh. Hey, that's right, David. We are a snowbird. You have a question about Lucid? What do you got, Slaya? What do you need? Let's say you're up 9K, lose 2 max daily loss limits. Starting over with those 2 accounts. I'm sorry, John. I know your pain though. Trust me. Guys, hear me out. I have a thought on Take Profit Trader. Can you lose the account if it is still positive account starting? No, you can't, Slaya. You could technically okay, no, wait. After the 90, oh man, after 9,000. No, you can't, Slaya. The minimum balance stops at 9,000. So in your scenario, Slaya, you would still have the account after 2 daily loss limits. But the daily loss limit will change and become bigger as you grow the account. Yeah, John. This is actually I'm considering doing this. And tell me in the chat if you think I'm crazy. If you think I'm crazy, I'll take it into consideration. But I had a thought. I had a thought on Take Profit Trader. We all know my history with Take Profit Trader is absolutely horrid. I mean, I haven't traded worse on a prop firm. I've been trading with Take Profit Trader for 2 years. 2 years at least. And I have gotten some payouts, but I haven't gotten payouts where I feel good about it. Like basically like really taking advantage of Take Profit Trader. I feel like I have tried everything with them but one thing. There's one thing remaining. There is one thing remaining to do with Take Profit Trader, but it might be very, very painful. It might be very painful, but I am considering it. And that is, there's one thing we haven't tried. And I am really on the fence that I'm going to do it. And that one thing is taking those Take Profit Trader accounts, putting them into the DGen bucket. Putting them in the DGen bucket like I did Top Step. I struggled with Top Step for a long time. We put them in the DGen bucket. It was a little painful. It was a little painful, and it was a little bit costly in the beginning. We went through a lot of resets. We blew up some accounts. Hands up, accountability right here. But we got through it. And don't tell anybody, and I don't want to say this too loud, but right now we're on a little bit of a heater. We're on a little bit of a heater with Top Step, and we're about, I don't know, I'm not even going to say it, but we're doing well. John, not including Apex or Take Profit Trader, what would your first choice be? Oh man, that's a really good question, John. Okay, I think I would go with the Tradeify Flex accounts. I do. The fact that you can kind of go, I would go with the Flex accounts. I would go with the 5-day payout. The 5-day payout rule in the funded account, Tradeify Flex accounts, not Flex, Select accounts, sorry. the select accounts, or it's either that or the Lucid Flex accounts. But I think I would rather go with the Tradeify select accounts and then go with the 5-day payouts route on the funded stage. I think that's what I would do, John. They extended sale, so get them while they're hot. Which one, RX? Oh, the select account. Yes. But here's the thing, like, I'm most disappointed with. If I review my year, my overall year in review, I am not upset. First of all, I think, like, I'm going to end up, if everything goes right, we could actually cross 300,000 in payouts year to date. Knock on wood. We're not there yet, but December is turning out pretty well. And we might cross 300,000. It's going to be very, very close. So I am ecstatic about that. I am not complaining. My expenses are higher than I wish they were, but the cost of doing business, I guess. But the one thing that I just am so disappointed in, it's Take Profit Trader. My ability to not take advantage of Take Profit Trader is pretty high on that list of disappointment. It's the number one, like, thing I want to get over. And I really am starting to think the best route is the most painful sometimes, and that is the full degen route. Not saying that we degen Take Profit Trader, like, going forward. I'm just saying degen it and, like, put it in the degen bucket until we break across the payout barrier. Like, we need to break across the payout barrier so that then we can slow down and then we take it slow. But I feel like that's what I have to do. It's going to be ugly, though. So just saying. Take Profit Trader has been your cursed prop too. Why, Zugfest? Well, I'm not sure I have a good reason why, but what happened with Take Profit Trader? You mean, like, why I don't have those accounts anymore? Go watch my latest video, and I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, Take Profit Trader. See, the reason that Take Profit Trader, here's the problem with Take Profit Trader. It's not a problem, but this is why I feel like, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, but this is why I struggle with Take Profit Trader. And it sounds weird, but here's the actual, I've really looked at it, and I really feel the reason that Take Profit Trader has been such a hard cookie to crack is because it takes 5 days to pass that eval. And once you have invested 5 days worth of time, you start to really, like, my level of not wanting to blow up a Take Profit Trader account is, like, extremely high. And the more that you care, the harder it is. I'm so convinced of that. Like, I'm so convinced that the secret to trading is, like, the less you care about winning or profit, the better off you will be. The less you care, the better off you'll be. And if you go into it and basically, it's almost like, hey, I'm going to go in with every funded account and just accepting that I'm going to blow it. Or that's how I went into it with Top Step. Like, hey, I'm going in And we're just gonna, I mean, I don't want to go like reckless, but I'm not gonna spend 3 months to try to get to the buffer. It's like we're going we're going full speed ahead, and either we're gonna get there or we're not. But I feel like it's almost, I don't know. I don't know why that mentality works, but I've done it enough times now to where I know what works and what doesn't. For example, look at look at Tradeify. If you guys remember, at one time, Tradeify was my DGen account where I went bigger size and I didn't care. I mean, I cared, but I didn't care. Like, it was kind of the, hey, if I blow the account, I know that the risk is higher. And then at one time I switched that over to Lucid. And now it's top. It's like there's a pattern here. I need to get it across that finish line and then slow down. I don't know. Maybe I'm not in my rational mind yet, but that's how I'm feeling at the moment. Yeah, you just need to trade like you don't care. And it is really true. If you don't care, you trade better. And that's why, I mean, it's the same reason why trading a simulated account is so much easier than trading your own money. It's the psychological part of it. And how to do that that's the real question. How do we trick our brain? Like, somehow we need to trick our own brain into not caring. And I'm not sure always how to do that. Yeah, exactly, Peter. It's also why it's a lot easier to trade when you don't need the money. It's so true. It's just another reason. It's so true. These prop accounts starting to feel like Forex with how expensive they are. Don't want to blow them as much. Yeah, I agree, Slaya. It's a bummer. If Tradeify gets rhythmic, I'll be all over it. Oh, yes, Captain Crunch. Well, I haven't had confirmation that Tradeify is going to get rhythmic, but I know they're looking into alternate options. Yeah. I know, John. Pine Tree is great at taking advantage of take profit trader. Yeah. It's just, I just don't get it. It's frustrating. I know Indiana gets slammed with lake effects. Oh, yeah, in the northern part. Yes. All right, market. We might get a setup here, guys. It's time to pay attention. We could get a short setup. Again, the game plan today, we pretend like nothing happened on Friday. We just trade like normal. All right? That's our job. We trade like normal. We're just going to pretend like it never happened. What is the difference between funding ticks and the others you recommend? I mean, I don't want to go into funding ticks is fine too. It's just different preferences, I guess. Not like a right or wrong. Oh, come on, market. You didn't give me an entry. You were supposed to go higher. You're supposed to tickle the 21 EMA here. Come on. It's gonna nosedive now, isn't it? The mic is low for you. Testing. I mean, it should be very. I was messing with my sound, so there is a chance it's lower than normal. Let's go, John. Nice trade. Can I flip day 3 on Prop Shop? I have no idea, John Q. I have no idea. Sorry. I think it's also because if you don't care, you might take more risks that pay off, and that you would normally never take. Yeah, Captain Crunch. So one thing I have noticed is when I don't care as much, I tend to let my winners run for longer. It's a weird mindset, but I really need to capture this mindset and just use it for my trading everything. But when I don't care, I actually have a tendency to let my winners run more, and I actually cut my losses sooner. Like when I don't care, I'll just cut my losses a lot sooner, and I won't be as, how would I say, I'm not as emotionally invested into, like, do you ever have, maybe you don't, guys don't, but do you ever enter a trade when you kind of, it's like, it's like you, I usually do this when I start getting chopped around. Like when I start getting chopped, I will pick a direction finally, and I'll like put my feet in the ground, both feet planted, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going long, and I don't care what happens. And you become very, very vested in that one particular trade where you're just not willing to now basically accept a loss. It's like, hey, I have made my decision, and now I'm either going to die on it or we're going to win on it. But sometimes, like, I get into that mindset, and that's where it gets very, very dangerous. But when I don't care so much on a trade, like when I don't care so much, then I'm like, hey, I don't really care that much about being right or wrong. I just want to make money. You know, it's such a weird, twisted mindset. It psychologically, trading has got to be the biggest time or the biggest like messing with your psychological well-being of just, it goes against a lot of things that we normally wouldn't do. It tests us a lot. All right, we have our first. Okay, hang on. We got to pay attention. We could see an entry here. I mean, we basically, the entry would. Oh, I don't want to take the entry down here. Basically, I don't take the entry, but actually, this is not terrible. I'm going to take it. I can deal with this. Again, this is, we're just going to pretend like we didn't, nothing happened Friday. Nothing happened. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should have turned on my copy trader. All right, I'm getting out of this trade. Why is this not copy trading? I literally just checked. Oh my goodness, I did not. Never mind. I am such an idiot. Give me a second. I changed all my copy trading, but I put in the wrong symbol. What an idiot. You are so... I'm just glad I... Nothing to see here. Give me a second. We might still be able to get an entry here. This is a great way to start off the Monday after an absolute disastrous Friday. That never happened. All right. Now, do we still take this entry? I think we do. Let's see if we get filled. And we're in. Now. Tank, baby. Dump it. That's it. Give me new lows. Come on. Come on, dump. You can do it. Oh, dump it. Come on. Come on, market. Be kind. Be kind today. For once in your life, just be kind. Oh, this is going to be rough, isn't it? It's not going to be easy. Yeah, it's not going to be easy. Oh. I don't like that. If this rips back above, if we rip back above the 760s, I don't like it one bit. Don't like it one bit. Give me a flush candle. Come on. Just can't seem to get it. I might need to go on a walk. Were you not on Friday? I had a doctor's appointment in the city, was looking for you on my phone when I was in his office. Yeah, John. I did not. Come on, just dump it. The longer this doesn't go lower, the longer this hangs out here, the bigger problem we have. The bigger the issue it is if we don't dump. We gotta dump right here. Come on. If it doesn't dump here, we're done. We are done. It's gotta go. Dump. Dump. Fill me. Oh, please don't do this. Please, let's not do this. Market, please. I'm begging you, man. We gotta fill. This has to fill my target. This is actually, I'm gonna report this to the SEC. This is cruel, an unusual punishment. How did I not get filled? It literally tickled my inch. It tickled my target. You cannot be serious. Fill me! You little... I will lose my mind if we don't go lower. I will lose. Nope, we're not doing this, market. Dump! Please! Please! Hey! We did it! We did it! Woo! Oh, thought we were going to lose it there for a minute. Dump! Keep going! Okay, I'm going to move my stop to right here. Keep dumping. We got to make new lows here, right? Okay, I'm going on a walk. I'm going on a walk. It's hard on my heart. We can never We can never just go short. Like, we can never have it easy. Good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Good morning. My blood pressure's... I need to go on a walk. I will close this trade. I know I will. If I get stopped out here, see, you know what? I'm going to trail my stop with the EMA. I'm going to do it. Please, let's not. Why, market? We can never have nice things. This is why we cannot have nice things. I don't know. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. We just can't do it. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna move my stop to here. I can't. Dump it right here. Do it. Do it. Keep going. Come on, give me new lows right here. Just dump it. Okay, Hey, Matty Matt is here. Good morning, Matty Matt. I'm trying to order the TaylorMade P8 CBs from... Oh, snap. Oh, no, he didn't. Good luck, Matty Matt. Boris Rodriguez, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. Uh-oh. My sticky ball is stuck on the seat. Oh, never mind. I got it. Okay, you know what? We need to be very cautious how we talk to the market right now. Everybody whisper. No sudden movements. No sudden movements.